What's up there, friends, family, and neighbors? It's your neighborhood car guy, Mr. Rogers, here at McConnell Chevrolet, Chrysler Jeep Ram in Healdsburg, heart of Sonoma County's wine country. Wanted to go over this Honda Accord. It is the touring model. It is a 2013. Plenty to show you about this car. Let's do a quick walk around so you can see how clean this is all the way around. Plenty of room in the back. Leather interior, of course. Does have the ports in the back for AC or heat. Back seat's got the anchors for child seat or booster. It does have these dots here in the handles for your proximity keys, so you can lock and unlock the vehicle. It does have memory seats 1 and 2. It has the nicer sound system, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You do have the power driver's seat. See, it's giving me the door open. Let's hop in. Now you have the full navigation system. You have the touch screen. You do have the lane camera, so when you want to switch lanes, it shows you what's next to you in case there's somebody. Down below you have all the settings for your radio there, phone, audio, navigation. Now you also have heated seats. You have the park reverse neutral drive sport mode. This 2013 only has 53,000 miles on it. Get in here. 53,720. You have the adaptive cruise control, all your information center, controls for the display, of course Bluetooth. This vehicle has it all. You even have the sunroof. This does have the head curtain airbags in the seat. Of course, the 2 in the dash. There's a little bit of all the safety features you could ask for. Leather interior. Push button start. This vehicle is clean inside and out. Nice sound system. Come on down and see us, find out why McConnell is Sonoma County's best kept secret. We're here on Healdsburg Avenue, right behind Big John's Market. Be looking forward to see you then. I'll take you out for a drive in this sweet ride. We'll see you guys soon.